Welcome to my casa here in Texas. This is what it's looking like right now. Pretty much iced over, not too much snow. But I got some limbs down that I have to cut. As you can see here, we have some limbs to fall. Hello, my beautiful people. BiiG Hinton Lawn Service here in the big state of Texas. Guess what? We have ice, snow, which has caused us some issues with these limbs. They've got heavy with ice on them, which is laying on the power line and the cable line. So I'm gonna do what I can do. Not gonna put myself in too much danger, and we're gonna be out of here pretty quick. Stay tuned.
BiiG Hinton Lawn Service loves when the sun shines in the sky and the fans like share and subscribe. When the fresh scent of grass is cut, give your BiiG Hinton doesn't care about the haters as he is walking his walk. People will talk down on you when they see the good in you, letting the blaze spin. BiiG Hinton always got the magic.
See, my beautiful people, in the state of Texas, look, everybody freaks out. Everybody wants to hog all the food. It's not that big of a deal. Leave some food for other people. Look, that's how we do in Texas. If there's any ice, snow, or anything, everybody comes through, takes all the food, all the toilet paper, everything. Try to punch you in the face. I believe we saved the whole neighborhood from going without internet and electricity. There's dozens of line trucks here. Well, my beautiful people, that'll wrap this up. It is freezing cold here in the state of Texas. And you know what? People have just lost their mind purchased up all the groceries, done bought up everything. But guess what? BiiG Hinton, here's your hug, baby, and I love you. Stay care. Please have a safe, productive day. And if you're in the state of Texas, Oklahoma, up north, anywhere, wherever you're at, and it's freezing and it's snowing with ice, please be safe. We love you. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please hype the videos. And if you haven't seen the previous videos, please go back and view them, as it helps this channel be able to do work like this. See you next time. We're out.
BiiG Hinton Lawn Service, I love when the sun shines in the sky. And fans like, share, and subscribe when the fresh scent of grass is cut. BiiG Hinton rolls in with a rusty old truck. The grass don't know it's about to get struck. With blades so sharp they sing in the sun. Every yard's a canvas when the blaze spins. BiiG Hinton Lawn Service, making green dreams true. We'll trim it, we'll edge it, we'll water it too. Your grass gonna shine like the morning